Sad day for Charlie's Wago. We're fixing to pull the motor out because it threw a bearing the other day. Here's some pieces of it in the pan right down there. It is gonna need a new crank, probably new rod and a new set of bearings. So let's see, here's the crank right there. We already got the rod out. So as you can see, the crank's all scored up right there. It's just that one, all the others are okay. But we will have to put a new crank in it. We're just gonna go ahead and pull the whole motor out just so we can get it onto a engine stand. It'll make everything easier. But still not sure what caused this, but we're thinking it's mainly because we took it out the other day to go race it, and the oil filter came loose and it was dumping oil everywhere, and we didn't notice till it was too late. And we also let the motor get way too hot. It almost hit 240 degrees on the engine temp, and we really should have let it cool down and take breaks, but we just kept racing it and it just did not like that. And this motor, for you guys that don't know, a lot of you guys for some reason still think this is the stock motor. This is not a stock motor. This one in Charlie's is fully built, so it is built to handle the power. My blue Wago, it's back over there, that one is the one with the stock motor, not this one right here. So stop getting those two confused. This one is fully built and it can handle the power. It should be able to handle way more than that, to be honest. So we're gonna go ahead and get the motor out and hopefully get it fixed pretty quick, because that kind of sucks that we just got it tuned and we only got like 2 races in with it. So got to get it back up and running again. Damn, already got it out in like 45 minutes.
Yeah. Not even shitting you, that was like 45 minutes.
Yeah, it was fast. Oh, there's the rod that's fucked. It's supposed to look like this one and not look all black and rainbowed out like this one right here.
I can't even imagine what temps I got to.
Yeah, dude, this thing probably got really toasty.
500 degrees.
Oh, these ones are all okay though. Oh well, that kind of blows. Looks like the Wago's gonna be down for a little bit, but we'll get it back.
Gonna have to buy new pistons.
Yep.
And I need new oil pump.
Side of the piston's all scratched.
This oil pump seized.
Which one was it? Which cylinder? Looks fine to me. I don't see any scratches. Where at? Oh yeah. It's not too bad though. I like how the wrench mount is just chilling.
Dude, it's fucking still lined up good. This will give us a chance to weld the bottom.
Dude, we should wire tuck it.
I could.
It'd be all
There's
sleep.
really not that many wires.
It'd be all sleeper on the outside, and then you pop the hood. It's just perfect, immaculate turbo kit, built as fuck.
I mean, I could fucking power wash this bitch down.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty. But
Take out my
it does suck to wire tuck. You have to run all the shit through the fenders and to take this fuse box and like put it inside.
Eventually a manual steering rack.
Dude, but you guys got that motor out fast. Dude, it's already broke down. Like professionals, dude.
Check this out though. Trash the sidewall.
Yeah,
or the coating on this. Rainbowed it. All the bearings are trashed. And then look at this. Where were they? The main bearings. The main bearings are all contaminated.
Are they?
Yeah, well,
Not too bad.
Feel them. They're all rough.
I ain't touching that.
They're gritty.
Yeah, I don't know what that's from. Tastes delicious.
I put some sand in there when you were building it. I didn't tell you about it.
Plot twist, bitch.
Plot twist, I sabotaged your Wago so you can never beat me.
Couldn't race, you actually not faster. Idiot. Yeah, I don't know what causes that. That's weird.
Hitting.
That's what it feels like, but on 3,000 miles, it's not even that.
Gonna need a new oil pump too. This thing's clogged with metal shavings probably.
It doesn't spin.
Oh,
And it's seized shut.
Maybe that's what happened.
I feel like it.
Yeah.
No, I don't know.
That
There's
was
still.
the old oil pump. I wonder if it wasn't weak when he put it in.
I don't know. It's had oil problems for a while. We got Charlie's crankshaft in the back of the MR2 right here. We're about to take it to a local shop that specializes in crankshaft machining and whatnot, and we're gonna see if it can be saved because there's still a piece of bearing stuck on there and it's scuffed up a little bit. So we're about to go check that out, see if we have to get a new crank. So we took the crank to a shop, and there's a good chance that it's not savable. We're not positive, but we would have to send it in, and we're just not gonna mess with it. So I went onto a local Honda Facebook page and asked if anyone had a crank, and a guy who's actually a fan of the channel said he has a full Z6 we can have with a crank in it. So right now we're on our way to pick that up. So hopefully we can get the Wago going pretty soon, and Charlie did go ahead and order the parts he needs to get it back together, so just gotta wait for those to come in.
Hopefully by the weekend.
Yeah, hopefully
If
soon.
I have all the parts by the weekend,
Oh shit.
I'll throw it all together and I'll be on the road.
Yep. Got trouser coming along for the ride. Never been in the van before. And we got the radio to work. We used to be locked out of this. Then we found the code in the manual. That's sick.
There it is, a Z6.
Yeah.
Load this bitch up.
This thing's on fine when it came out.
It was just smoke. It was starting to smoke. The crank should be good.
You see like dial seals or something?
Yeah.
Rings.
It sounded fine. I was trying to figure out what it was and try to change it up.
Rear engine Odyssey.
There it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was just smoking a lot before. I mean, it's
Thanks,
just,
Gabby. We needed a crank.
Yeah.
So, trying to get
Lifesavers right here.
Yeah, anything you guys need, just let me know. I got a lot of shit.
it done. We all have quite a few parts, but not.
Nothing D series.
No, I do. We just nothing bottom end. Got a couple heads and stuff laying around. Oh yes. They left two. You
Yeah.
got an LSD in there? Or you just got lucky? Oh, there's the neighbors. Oh, she gonna be hurt? Oh god. Give no fucks.
My shifter.
Did you?
No way. Look at that.
Oh damn.
It snapped right off.
What, slamming into second?
Yeah, a little bit.
Damn.
Oh, there goes my short shifter.
Well, just got shorter.
It's all shiny.
Yeah, he just shed.
Yeah.
it's really shiny.
He looks all pretty after he sheds. Yeah, we just feed him mice every couple weeks and that's it.
That's it?
Yep.
Every couple weeks?
They're like the easiest pets to take care of. Just water.
Man.
Yeah, sometimes when he's getting ready to shed, he's pissy.
Really?
I'll reach in there and he'll hiss at me.
Oh shit.
Unloading the new Z6. Do you know, and I just realized, Charlie's gonna get the crank out of here, and I'm gonna take the VTEC head and put it on Wago. And it'll be dope.
Yep.
So hopefully everything's good in there.
Tear it down tonight.
Hell yeah, dude. Big shout out to those guys.
Yeah.
Free motor. That's awesome.
Helped out significantly.
Yeah, they made this way easier. So now all we have to wait for hopefully is just the pistons, and hopefully we have everything else.
Buy some bearings from PFI.
Yeah, hopefully Brent will have the bearings, and we still not sure if he'll have the rod, the right weight rod or whatever, but if he does, then we'll be good because the pistons are already on their way. So the Wago's gonna be up and running soon, hopefully.
Time frame this weekend.
Dude, I bet a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, I knew it would blow up. Fucking Hondas, can't handle the power. So we got the oil pump off right here, and let me let it focus. Yeah, I got the oil pump off,
Yeah, I got
and you can't spin it at all. It's seized.
It should just turn by hand, but
Yeah, it should be nice and smooth, but it's fucked. So we're not sure if this stopped and then fucked the motor, or the motor got hot and then like all the shavings fucked the oil pump. We're not sure which way it went. So
and it also did
young Charlie.
stunning.
So yeah. Oh, and we're probably just gonna use the oil pump off this motor as well, because no fucks. As long as it spins good, it should be fine. So yeah, that was sick. I mean, I asked on that page if someone had a crank, and then he replied to me in like 5 minutes and said, yo, I just have a full motor, you guys can just have it. Helping us get the Wago done. Some good people right there. And yeah, and then my Wago might have VTEC soon.
Yeah. You have
So-
good stuff for it.
Yeah, I just might need a new distributor because this one looks like it's missing some things. But other than that, I'll be good. And then I got to wire in the VTEC solenoid, and it'll be good. Just that head will help mine with a little extra power, but I wouldn't want to turn it up. I'm fine with where it's at. So I'll wait till I get new internals for mine before I mess with that. So on the way back, we weren't paying attention, and Trouser snuck under the dash, and I just saw him up on top of this plastic box right in the back over here. I just saw his head poke out. Oh, let me get a light. His head was poking out from right here, and before I could grab him, he backed up. So hopefully he shows up in a second, but I might be waiting for a little bit. I hope he doesn't get like lost up in the dash. I can't believe we didn't pay attention to that. But now there's a snake in our dash, but we'll get him out even if we have to rip the dash apart. You can just barely see him. Now that's him tucked up under the dash right there. All right, so I've been poking at him with this extension, and I got him to move, and I think he's coming down this way. Through here somewhere. Let me see. Oh, there he is right there. There's his head. Hold on, let me grab him. Oh no! He got away from me again, dude. I had him in my hand. Oh, there he goes. He's going back up. Well, there's his head. Little fucker won't come out. Just gonna be playing the waiting game all night. Okay, I don't even care.
He's still moving though.
Get the light in there.
He's still moving.
He's pulling his tail into, he's curling up, he's not. His head's aiming this way. Here, light through here.
Lost the damn snake in the van.
I'm gonna wait for his tail. Ready?
No, grab his body. Just grab him, dude. Can you get him?
I stopped him. Hold this light.
Here, you want me to tear into this hole so we can...
No, I'm not letting him get by.
You ever fish a snake through a
I
hole
got
in a
him.
runner board?
I got him.
Don't cut him. Holy shit. He thought he was a goner. Oh, he's pissed.
I'm just gonna have to fish him out slowly now. He's gonna hold on, but I'm not letting him go.
What's he even holding on to?
Are you filming this, dude?
Yeah.
We got him, guys. Holy shit.
He was about to cry because he lost a snake.
Dude, I was so sad. I was like, dude, he's gonna die in the car. So what happened was, I was waiting for him, and then I thought I was gonna get him, and I went for his tail, and then he barely slipped away, and there's a hole back here that connects to the whole freaking frame. So he got in there, and I was like, you know what? Maybe I can like pull this trim off and like look in there. And I used my little like turbo keychain, and I fucking saw his ass in there. And so we cut a hole in here, and then he went that way, and we had to use some air compressor to use the air compressor to scare him to go this way, and we finally made it work. And holy shit, guys.
Oh, there we go.
Do I get some, let's get some chloroform.
I got him.
Some fire.
Snake. Trouser. Bad.
Dude, he's gonna bite your ass, watch.
Is he hissing? Oh no, that's just the air. I thought he was hissing at me.
You're gonna pull him out, he's gonna bite your
He's
ass.
gonna be like,
You done with that air now?
oh. Yes! We got him!
Call him Steve Irwin.
Oh my gosh.
That's Crocky, mate.
Crocky. We got a fucking little bitch. Holy shit. Oh, so Trouser's okay. Thank God. I don't know how we got lucky enough to catch him, but holy shit. Anyways, Charlie's getting the motor pulled apart. Crank looks good. So, yeah. Now we just gotta get your fucking pistons in.
Alright. That vacuum line I stole from his intake manifold too, by the way.
Oh, I don't care.
It's the one.
Holy shit, though.
Yeah, it is the one.
And as for this hole I just ripped in the van, this floorboard thing covers it anyway, so I'm not even worried about it. Just happy we got the snake back. Well, that's as far as we're gonna get for tonight. We got the crank out, looks good to go. So now I just gotta wait on some other things to come in the mail, mainly just the pistons for now. We may have to order some bearings and the one rod if Brent doesn't have them over at PFI for us. But if he doesn't, that won't be a problem. We'll just have to wait a little longer. But yeah, that's it for tonight. So I know I'll probably get some hate on this saying that the Honda couldn't take it, but the way it's looking, it definitely had something to do with the oil, because I know he ran the car really low on oil and it ran really hot. Like I said, it hit 240 degrees pretty much. It hit 238, so almost 240 degrees on the engine temp, and that is hot as shit. So definitely think heat and lack of oil had something to do with this. But oh well, we're gonna rebuild it and it'll be back soon. Just kind of sucks since we just got it tuned the other day, but oh well.